Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's just a quick little project share using the Alina craft tassel maker, I guess. Tassel maker? I don't know if that's the right word. So this is it right here. Let me take it out of this sleeve. So I do like that it was it's narrow and then doubled up. That way you're not sitting there trying to roll a piece of paper into the tassel, if that makes sense, because if it was all long ways, then you would have to roll for a really long time, if that makes sense. And then here's a little decorative part. I did cut it out in glitter so you can't see the stitching detail like on the chunky glitter. It's just not going to show up that way. And then I also use tassels that are also in Alina's shop in silver and gold, and then in different sizes. So I just used some scraps that I had that was this size rectangle, and I cut them out. And this is what it looks like when you cut it out. I just had a little square, and as you can see, some of the pieces are kind of just there. Literally, I kind of just crinkled it and they all come apart. So there's that side, and then you do it for the other side. And just fan them out if they are touching. So here, that's that guy. Okay, but anyway, you can really, once you roll it up, which I'll show you, you can really just kind of fan it out yourself with your fingers to give that really, I guess, what's the word? Like a full fringy tassel, or you can keep them super slim looking, if that makes sense. And then here's the one that I did with a cap. I just rolled it up, and then I put some hot glue at the bottom of the cap and just shoved it in there. And then I put the string after, versus when you do this, you got to put the string before. And then here's another one that I want to fan out because I like the look when it's fanned out. It stands up. Kind of like a broom. This could also be a broom embellishment die as well. Okay, anyway. So the pattern is obviously going to go on the outside, and you're just going to fold this bad boy in half. Like so. Use my bone folder. And then I also use my bone folder to kind of just curl up the top part, just to give it a little bit of like start to the roll, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to use some Hobby Lobby trim. I really like this gold wiry looking. Just cut it in half. And then right here, I'm just going to do a little dab of glue because my first tassel, I forgot to put the string. Like, I got too happy and forgot to put the string there. Okay, so now I have my string, and now I'm just going to roll it. Some people put glue all the way through or tape all the way through while they're doing that, but I just roll it without all that and then glue it at the very end. So it's definitely just a preference thing. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, so now that I'm at the end, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. I like working with hot glue just because it's fast, you know. It's like a fast grab. Boom, bang, done. Woohoo! Already getting my tassel. And then these little guys, it is pretty long, so it overlaps. So I just cut some of it off just so I don't add extra bulk to the tassel. Just putting hot glue all the way around. And rolling this around the tassel. Just sweep. I like hot glue because you can just pinch off the excess if it oozes over. And at the very little tab. Boop. Hold it for a second. And voila. I don't like how this one, it's the back piece showing, so I'm going to rip it off. I like how all the pink got on the inside of this tassel. Okay, but anyway, that is real quick how you make them. Super quick and easy, and like I said, I like that it was doubled up, so you fold it in half and roll it for the fullness of the tassel versus a big giant long die and you having to roll a bunch of times. So yeah, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.